This is the 71-meter SuperYacht Scat. Delivered in 2002, she is a military-inspired superyacht, even painted in the dark colour often seen on vessels sporting heavy weapons. This menacing style is the culmination of her owner's wishes to purchase and convert an actual warship, but apparently unable to do so. Owner Charles Simonyi turned his attention and sizable bank balance to yacht builders Lursen to help fulfill his dream to own something often seen patrolling the Persian Gulf searching for pirates. Despite looking like a warship on the outside, Scat is a full superyacht on the inside, as you'd expect, sleeping 12 guests in 6 staterooms plus room for 2 children, taking a capacity to 14. A crew of 25 can take this vessel up to a maximum speed of 18 knots and a range of 4,600 nautical miles. On board you will find a main salon that can convert into a cinema, a jacuzzi on the sun deck, and room for a helicopter on the upper rear deck. Scat's owner, Simonyi, is a Hungarian-American who made his fortune with Microsoft. Credited with designing the MS Office suite, he left in 2004 and formed his own business, which would eventually be bought by Microsoft. On the 7th of April 2007, he became a space tourist, booking with space tourism company Space Adventures Limited for a 10-day mission to the International Space Station. His ride to the ISS was Russian spacecraft Soyuz TMA-10. In 2009, he would repeat this trip.
Charles Simonyi, the U.S. spaceflight participant floating in to be greeted.
Rumors are abound of Simonyi building a new Scat, as Lursen launched a very similar looking vessel in June 2020. To coincide with the launch, the original Scat, owned by Simonyi since 2002, has been put up for sale. A massive check for $56.5 million will buy you an incredible boat. Does this mean the new vessel is for the space tourist? If you know, get in touch or leave a comment below.